Is your iPhone screen randomly registering touches, tapping things more than once, or making your controls go crazy while you are using an app or playing a game? There's actually a setting built into the iPhone that can help with this, and it's called Touch Accommodations. More specifically, we are going to turn on Ignore Repeat. This can be especially useful if you're dealing with accidental repeated touches or if a game is registering multiple taps when you only meant to tap once. Let me show you how it works. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to Accessibility. Here, tap on Touch. On the next page, tap on Touch Accommodations. Now, turn on the toggle for Touch Accommodations. Next, tap on Settings. And here, turn on the toggle for Ignore Repeat. What this does is essentially prevent the iPhone from registering repeated touches within a short period of time as separate inputs. So for example, if you tap the screen and your finger accidentally stays there, or you quickly touch the same area again, the iPhone can ignore those additional touches instead of treating every single one as a separate input. And this can be really useful for certain games where accidental repeated touches can mess up your controls. It can also help you if you are experiencing what feels like ghost touches caused by rapid or repeated touch input. There's one important setting underneath Ignore Repeat that you should know about. You can adjust the amount of time the iPhone ignores additional touches. You don't necessarily want to set this to a really long time. Start with the default setting and test it. If you are still getting unwanted repeated touches, you can gradually increase the duration. Just keep in mind that the longer you set it, the more noticeable the delay between repeated taps can become. So there's a bit of a balance here. Now there's something important you should know before leaving this setting enabled all the time. Ignore Repeat can make typing and normal touchscreen use feel different. For example, if you are typing quickly and tapping the same key twice in succession, the iPhone may ignore the second tap depending on your Ignore Repeat duration. You might also notice that some apps don't respond to rapid taps exactly the way you are used to. So while this feature can be really helpful for gaming or situations where you are getting unwanted repeated touches, I wouldn't necessarily recommend keeping it enabled all the time. The good news is that you don't have to keep going back into the settings every time you want to turn it off. You can add touch accommodations to the Assistive Touch menu. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on Accessibility, scroll down and tap on Accessibility Shortcuts. And on the next page, make sure Touch Accommodations is selected. This gives you a much quicker way to access the feature. So when you are about to play a game where you want to prevent accidental repeated touches, you can turn it on. And when you are finished, you can quickly turn it back off before you start typing or using your iPhone normally. Keep in mind that Ignore Repeat isn't a repair for a physically damaged touchscreen. If your iPhone is literally tapping things completely on its own, even when you are not touching the display, especially after a drop, water exposure, or screen replacement, you may actually have a hardware problem. But if your issue is accidental or repeated touches, this accessibility feature is definitely worth trying before assuming something is wrong with your iPhone. So if you are having problems with unwanted repeated touches on your iPhone, give Touch Accommodations and Ignore Repeat a try. It's a simple feature, it's already built into iOS, and it can be particularly useful for gaming. Just remember that it can make typing and rapid taps feel less responsive, so I recommend turning it off when you don't need it. And the easiest way to do that is by adding it to your Assistive Touch menu. If this tip helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to iOS Hacker for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.